Hello biology students, and this is an explanation video of our cricket lab that we will be completing next week, Monday through Thursday, 9:21 to 9:24. Please note that we do not have school next Friday, 9:25. So that's going to change the format of how we're going to do this lab, so please pay attention to that. All right, on the first page, you would have completed this pre-lab for Monday. So that is due Monday. And then on Monday, we are going to begin with part A of this lab. And on part A, we are going to be developing our guiding question, defining our problem, hypotheses, and experiment. So we'll figure out a hypothesis for this experiment. So on Monday, we will be completing part A. There will be an explanation video, a lecture specific to part A posted on Monday. So if you are a cohort A student, you will get that explanation in person. If you are a virtual student, you will watch the video. All right, so that is how Monday is going to work. You'll complete part A, which are questions 1 through 7, filling in these boxes. You will all have a classroom copy of this entire lab. All right, so then on Tuesday, we will move on to part B. So part B describes data and evidence. So you're going to be designing a data table to record evidence about your variables. And we're going to talk about what those variables are next week. All right, so Tuesday is going to be part B. So that is what you should have done by the end of Tuesday, part B. So make sure to keep pace with each part that I'm instructing you to do on that day, because it's very important so that you don't fall behind, so that if and when you are in person in class that week, you are caught up, essentially. So all of our cohort B students will be working in person on part B on Tuesday. However, cohort A, who would be at home, should still be working on part B. All right. So part B, data tables. A lot of this data has been given to you. Any of our independent variables that didn't cause a change in cricket chirp rate were given to you. So there is one of them that we're going to focus on mainly, one independent variable. And then on Wednesday, there will be another video sent out. I realize this is kind of our virtual day, but I would like you to go ahead and complete part C on Wednesday. And I'll try to make sure those explanation videos for each day are out in advance. So if you wanted to, say, get started on part C on Tuesday at home, you would be able to do that. So on Wednesday, everyone should be working on part C, which is graphing. There are several videos posted here by different teachers in the science department here at Sheboygan North, who will be describing how to do these different aspects. So we use a program called Vernier Graphical Analysis. So this video tells you how to download that on your Chromebook. This video will show you how to graph using it, using your data. And this last video will show you how to take a picture of it, because you'll notice on day 3, on Wednesday, you're going to go ahead and place a picture of your graph here. All right, so part C is graphing. And then on Thursday, so if you are a cohort A student, you will see this in person. We're going to talk about part D, our conclusion, and a claim, evidence, reasoning statement. So on Thursday, whether or not you are in person or at home, I want you to go ahead and complete part D. And after part D, you are finished. After part D, you can go ahead and hit that turn in button and submit it, so that you won't have to do anything on Friday, the day off. Because remember, this lab will be due on Monday. All right, everybody. I don't want to keep you too long. I just wanted to explain the format of how that's going to work. Let me show you the calendar real quick. Let me bring up the calendar for next week. We are biology. All right, so this is our calendar setup for the week of September 21st. Notice that it's going to look a bit different, not only because of our no school on Friday, but because of our day-to-day breakdown of content. And explanation videos will pop up here as I make them. All right. So with that said, go ahead and complete that pre-lab for the weekend, and we'll get started on Monday. In the lab, this document will be provided on Classroom, which is really the only thing that's going to be due that week. I won't be collecting each part separately. I'll just be checking the whole lab at the end. All right, everybody, I think that covers it. Take care and have a great day.